It is a dream of most of the youngsters in our country to get into Delhi University. And we all know that getting into Delhi University to study any of the undergraduate programs is very, very difficult. The admissions earlier were based on merit, which was about your class 12th marks. But since 2022, the admissions to Delhi University is done based on CUET UG entrance score. Now, while it was expected that CUET will make life easier for the student, it is contrary. Today, if you look at the statistics, it is very clear that getting into Delhi University is very, very difficult now. CUET, while for many may look a very simple examination, but with the kind of scoring, it is very, very difficult to match up the expectations and to get into the top colleges of Delhi University. But you need not worry, because this Delhi University Focus program by Career Launcher will help you to be there. Every year, DU receives more than 3 lakh applications. And in some of the programs, the competition is as high as 1,000 students per seat, which also means you cannot afford to take any chance. A single mistake can ruin your chances of getting admitted to the course of your choice and definitely the best colleges of DU. This program, which is specially curated to help students prepare for the CUET examination targeting Delhi University, involves not only intensive classroom sessions for the subjects English, general test, and 3 domain subjects, which is mandatory as far as CUET combination for DU is concerned. It also helps you with preparation on your strategy. The 40 mock tests per subject which you take, and in total 200 mock tests over a period of 7 months, this program will help you work on your strategy. Because every mock you take, you learn from your mistakes, you keep improving upon them, and you ensure by the time you hit the actual examination hall, you are so well prepared that you answer every question. Not only this, this program also has chapter tests for every topic you study. It has self-paced video lessons, which you can use as a pre-session learning exercise and also post-session revision exercise. Self-paced videos are meant to be anytime, anywhere learning module, which means wherever you are, you can always take out your mobile and you can start learning. At the same time, this program will also encompass helping students with strategy sessions, special GK sessions, along with form filling assistance for CUET as well as DU CSAS portal, which is quite complicated. This program is designed for success. This program is designed for students who are ambitious and who only dream to get into colleges like SRCC, St. Stephen's of the world. If you are an aspirant for DU, then this is the program you should definitely join.